Hello my dear students, I welcome you all in the video class of Aryan Gurukul. Aryan Gurukul is a brand name. Before going into the chapter, let me speak something about Aryan Gurukul. Aryan Gurukul Higher Secondary School is situated far away from Barampur. So to say, 5 kilometers away from Barampur. It is away from the humdrum of town. ଗୋଟେ ଶାନ୍ତ ସ୍ନିଗ୍ଧ ପରିବେଶ ଭିତରେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ ଆର୍ଯ୍ୟନ ଗୁରୁକୁଲ. It has its own campus, 4-story building, 5-story hostel, well equipped with library, laboratory, above and over the faculties, young dynamic faculties as well as experienced faculties are there to take care of the students. So my dear students, I am Vishwanath Behra. Students call me as Kunal sir. I like to welcome you all in the video class. Let's start the chapter. No. Before that, you should have idea about the 100 mark का लेखा जोखा. So you have prose spaces, 3 prose spaces, 2 into 5 10 marks, and maximum you can use 25 words. Okay, 25 to 30 words. Same in the case of poem, you have to cover 4 poems, 2 into 5 10 marks, and same 25 to 30 words. Story, one act play, biography. It has got 3 chapters. It is 5 into 2. Well, you can go for 70 plus words for it. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Vocabulary, 1 into 5. In vocabulary, you have got synonym, similar words, antonyms, opposite word, single word, frame sentences, phrasal verb, phrases. So, with the help of vocabulary, you can rule over English. It is of 5 marks only. IT, information transfer, it is of 5 marks. You will get a paragraph and you have to convert that paragraph into tabular form, graphical form, tree diagrammatic form, pie chart, etc. We can say we have to go from verbal to non-verbal. It is of 5 marks. Dictionary reference skill. You will get a word and the word having at least 5 meanings and 5 sentences will be there. You have to match. So these are the part where you can score maximum. Rearrange of sentences. Puzzle sentences will be there. You have to arrange it. It is of 5 marks. What is cohesive device? You will get a paragraph having 5 blanks and you will get 5 words in the bracket. You have to put a right word in the right blank. It is of 5 marks. Later, 10 marks. Description of object, event, process. It is a nice thing. Description of object, event and process. It is of 10 marks. With the help of this, we can go for essay in the second year. It is, you can say, paragraph writing. You have to write a paragraph about an object or an event or a process. It is of 10 marks. Slogan, telegram, caption writing and email or you will get 5 marks. Grammar, 10 marks. In grammar, you have a lot of chapters. I will inform you gradually. Last but not the least, that is translation or story writing. So those who are not comfortable with translation, they can go for the story. Completion of the story. You will get half story, you have to complete it. So it is all about 100 mark ka lekha joka, 100, it is about 100 marks. Okay, some chapters has been deducted and the picture is not yet clear. You will get the idea by the CHSC soon. Well, we will start the chapter today. We will start a prose piece. The name of the prose piece is Standing Up for Yourself. Standing up for yourself. खुद के लिए खड़ा होना है. So it is rightly said that God helps those who helps themselves. Unless until you try, you can never rise high. So my dear students, we'll start the chapter Standing Up for Yourself. It is written by Yevgeny Yevtushenko. What? Yevgeny Yevtushenko, a Russian writer, was born in 1933. Well, in order to rule over English, you have to divide the words. If you are not comfortable with Yevgeny Yevtushenko, then you have to divide it, because they taught us divide and rule. We'll divide their words. So Yevgeny Yevtushenko. So let's start the chapter Standing Up for Yourself. In 41, okay, let me clean it first. In 41 means what? In 1941. So I got to know in some of the colleges, I don't want to name the name, but they mention in 41 means 1941. He was born in 1933. 1933. So in 41 means what? So no, it is not in 41 means 1941. It is at the age of 41. In 41, he was staying alone in a quiet Moscow street, in a quiet flat. Nobody was there. He was bachelor. So now, my dear students, we'll go for vocabulary. Bachelor. Bachelor means what? Okay. Before marriage and after marriage, we'll discuss it. After marriage, before marriage and after marriage. Unmarried boy is bachelor. Unmarried girl, Harbachan Singh. What? Unmarried girl means Harbachan Singh. No, my dear. Harbachan is a spinster. Spinster. But unmarried girl means spinster. Spinster. So before marriage, bachelor and spinster, right? Custom of having single wife or single husband at a time. Single wife or single husband at a time is known as monogamy. Monogamy. Custom of having two wives or two husbands, biogamy. Custom of having many wives at a time, polygamy. Custom of having many husbands at a time. Achha, do you take breakfast? In breakfast, what do you take? We are from Ganjam. We take puri, upma, idli. Remember the word idli. Synonym of idli? In village we call it as entry. So polyandry means a lady having several husbands at a time. So after marriage also, if the world of marriage runs fine, it's alright. If there is a problem arises, division of separation of husband and wife, it is known as divorce. Separation between husband and wife is known as divorce. Well, after divorce also, the lady doesn't leave you, doesn't provide peace to you. She demands money, property. It is known as alimony. M-O-N-Y. Alimony. Means claim of property, money after legal separation. It is known as alimony. So what I mean to say is that you need to develop your vocabulary skill side by side. So I provided some of the information to you so that you'll remember, you can develop your word power. So okay, let's continue. In 41, I was living, when Yevgeny Yevtus was living alone in a empty flat in White Moscow Street. What about his parents? His parents were divorced. Parents were divorced. And his father was staying somewhere at Kazakhstan. Somewhere at Kazakhstan with his new wife and children. And he seldom wrote letter to him. That means there was not a harmonious relationship between father and son. Occasionally he was writing letter to him. What about mother? Mother was a geologist. Later she changed her profession and became a singer and performing for the troupe. So he did not get the support of his father, and mother remained busy to maintain the livelihood. That's why she did not get quality time from his mother. So his education was left to the street. Whatever he learned, he was going to school, but he learned maximum thing from street. What he learned? To swear. Swear means शपथ. झूठ बोलना सीख लिया, झूठ मूठ का वादा. He learned to swear, to smoke. हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो छूट गया उसको भुलाता चला गया. Well, he learned swear, smoke and spit. बनारसी बाबू बन गया. He knew how to spit. Spit, थूकना, elegantly, stylishly through the teeth like this. So he learned all the negative, and he was ready to keep the fist. Fist means he was ready to beat anybody. So the word fist came, that's why I like to utter a phrase. Wait. Close fisted person. Close fisted person. It is fist. Close fisted person means, suppose you will go to a restaurant to take food. After taking food, you will close your fist. If you open your fist, you will go for the purse, wallet. But you will close your fist. That means close fisted person. Close fisted boy बोल सकते हो, girl बोल सकते हो. You can go for man or woman. It means miser, कंजूस, मक्खीचूस. So it is a French. You need to develop your French power. The opposite of it is to burn the candle at both ends. To burn the candle at both ends. Ritu burns the candle at both ends on her birthday. That means one who spent money lavishly. दोनों हाथों से लुटाना. So you need to develop your phrase power. You need to develop vocabulary of yours in order to remain in a comfortable position in the language. Okay, he learned swear to swear, smoke, spit elegantly through the teeth, and ready to keep the fist. And this sort of quality remains with him up to 41. It is rightly said that it is difficult to leave one's habit. So, we are discussing the first unit. The street taught him not to be afraid of anything and anyone. And this habit, he kept it till date. That means age of 21. He realized in the struggle of life not to have fear for anybody. Even stronger. It is all about part 1. This chapter, standing up for yourself, divided into 4 parts. Today we have discussed the first part. We'll continue the second part in the next class. Thank you.